Welcome. Anklet is an ornament which women are very fond of. We will be learning the method of making an anklet in this session. At the end of the session, you will know the materials and tools required for the making of an anklet and how to make an anklet. First, gather all the tools and materials required for the job. The two tools required for the making of anklet are cutting plier and nose plier. While making anklets, the materials required may vary as per the design chosen for the anklet. Here, we are going to use beads, winding wire, hook and ring to make the anklet. Let's look into the step-by-step process of making an anklet. First of all, cut the winding wire to the required length using cutting plier. By twisting one end of the winding wire and thread the beads to it as per your design. Here, we will thread golden and black beads. We will be threading beads to the wire in the ratio of 3:1. That is, after 3 black beads, 1 golden bead. We need 20 to 30 beads to make an anklet. String in all the beads to the winding wire. Now, connect the chain at the end of the winding wire by twisting the winding wire into the chain. Push the bead from the winding wire towards the chain end and place the nose plier near the bead. And twist the winding wire around the nose plier. After removing the plier, cut the winding wire near the tied point. Now, insert the bead in the winding wire. Again, push the bead to the end of the winding wire and place nose plier near the bead and twist the winding wire around the nose plier. Now, as you can see, the winding wire looks like a chain. Now, connect the next bead into it. Take the plier again. Press the winding wire close to the bead. Wind the wire around the plier and tie it close to the bead. Then remove the plier. Cut the winding wire using cutting plier, then thread the threaded beads into the end of the wire. Hold the plier at the end of the winding wire. Then, twisting the end of the wire, tie it gently. Remove the pliers gently. Then again take a bead from the winding wire to the beads tied and fixed. In this way, we can thread and tie all the beads accordingly. Except one bead, we have strung all the beads to the winding wire and fixed them using a plier. After connecting the last bead, insert a ring. Now, holding it along with the last bead, connect the ring into it by twisting and fixing as shown. Cut the remaining wire using a cutting plier. The tied and fixed anklet is ready. Now fix the hook to the ring. The hook has now been fixed. We have successfully made the anklet. You can use different types of materials to make anklets of your choice. Hope you have enjoyed the session. Thank you.